Okay, so I've talked about this before, but those of you who are new here, no, I do not have hair extensions. This is all my hair. The bounce in it, I would probably say it's because I don't use hairspray. What I use is the Color Wow. It's style on steroids, and it's just it's a performance enhancing texture and finishing spray. It also has a thermal protectant in there. So this stuff pretty much is just going to help any style that you do, whether it's waves, curls, straightening your hair. It does just that. It's style on steroids. So your hair holds for so much longer, and it's not like a sticky or dry feel. Keeps your hair super bouncy. It doesn't make it dull or anything like that. As you can see, still very, very shiny. I just got this probably about 2 weeks ago, and I have already finished half of the bottle because I use it that often. Like, I feel like I can't do my hair without it now. It's definitely a new staple in my hair routine. So if you have not tried this, best stuff I've ever tried on my hair. Way better than hairspray. Just the way that it holds, the volume that it creates, the smell, everything. So good.